Hi students. So already we have discussed about contract casting, but once again I will explain about what is the contract casting and its performer. So here you see, a contract is an agreement between two parties wherein one party agrees to carry out a certain work for the other party in a specified period of time. The person or a party executing the contract under certain terms and conditions is called the contractor. Nothing but here a simple meaning is that the person who is taking or else who is undertaking the contract, that person is called as a contractor, and the person who is giving the contract, that person is called as a contractee. Nothing but the job. Here you see here. Similarly, the person or a party for whom the work or a job is executed is known as a contractee. So here contractor, what he will do, he will pay the amount to the contractor, and total work is done by whom? By the contractor. Nothing but here we can take an examples like construction of the buildings, dams, bridges, roads, plants, etc. These all are comes under the contract costing. So how here who will prepare the contract account means the contractor. So here the contractor will prepare the contract account. So how he will prepare the contract means, see, first here we have a performer. Nothing but the account which is prepared by the contractor. So here what will be happening is, debit side here we have to take all the expenses. Debit side what we have to do, we have to take all the expenses, nothing but the expenses which are done by the contractor. Those all the expenses we have to take it in the debit side. Once you see here, materials purchased, supplied from stores, material received from other contractors, wages paid or outstanding, opening plant value, direct expenses, establishment charges to other indirect expenses. Afterwards this side, see the credit side, by work in progress, certified, uncertified, by plant at closing value. Opening plant value we have to take this side, and the closing plant value we have to take this side. Materials in hand returned to stores, nothing but the leftover the material which is returned to stores, that material we have to take, or the material which is destroyed, that one we have to take here. Okay, clear? Afterwards what we have to do means, if credit side is more, the balance which we will be getting, that is nothing but notional profit. If the debit is more, the balance which we will be getting, that is a notional loss. So here what we have to do means, notional profit carried on, we have to bring this side, that is by notional profit. Later on what we have to do, we have to calculate the profit and loss. So here already I have said, for calculating the profit and loss, totally we have a 4 formulas. For calculating profit and loss, totally how many we have? We have 4 formulas. So for notional profit we have to deduct this profit, then you will be getting a work in progress, that is reserve. So here how to calculate the profit? Once you see here, so no profit should be taken into account on contracts that have not made sufficient progress. Generally no profit should be taken into account unless 1/4 of the contract is completed. So if a contract is completed less than 1/4, means nothing but 25%, then the profit will be nil. Okay, see the second case. In case of contracts that have made sufficient progress, the profit is to be taken profit or loss account is ascertained on the following basis. In case the contract is more than 1/4 but less than 1/2, nothing but it is more than 25% and less than 50%. Then what is the formula here? Notional profit into 1/3 into cash received by work certified. Already I have sent you a PDF. Once you check there, cash received by work certified. If contract is more than half completed, nothing but between half to 90%. So here notional profit into 2/3 into cash received by work certified. Clear? If contract is nearly completed, or else contract is over, what is the formula here? Estimated profit into work certified divided by contract price. Clear? So this is the general what I have I am giving the guidelines to you. Why? Because already I have explained about all these topics, and even first question, second question, third I have sent to you. Clear? Okay, Nama. So once again you recheck it. For the first question, second question, third question, fourth, fifth, already I have sent you I have sent you the answers in the PDF form in WhatsApp. So please check it. Clear? Okay then, thank you. Bye.